Today we're going on a day trip to Yufuin and Beppu in Oita Prefecture. It was drizzling throughout the day, but it was still an enjoyable experience. We booked this activity via Klook for more or less 1,900 pesos. Traveling to Japan soon, book hotels and activities via Klook and use promo code PhilKlook to get as much as 5% off. Book hotels via Agoda and use promo code PhilAgoda to get as much as 10% off. Our first stop is Nyoirinji Temple, also known as the Frog Temple. This place is filled with thousands of frog items, believed to bring good luck and safe travels. Next is Kamado Jigoku, or Stove Hell, one of Beppu's most interactive hot springs. Here we were able to see different colored boiling pools, taste the mineral-rich hot spring water, and even try eggs cooked using the natural steam. Next is Umi Jigoku, or Sea Hell, famous for its deep blue color and extremely hot temperatures reaching around 98 degrees Celsius. We then made a quick stop at Mount Yufu Trailhead, famous for its twin peaks and misty views. Next, we visit Kinrin Lake, a small lake in the heart of Yufuin. It was still very enchanting even though it was raining. For our last stop, we tried some local snacks in the streets of Yufuin before heading back to Fukuoka. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.